Welcome to Nuer Tube. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about English and thok. I prepared some of the words that I believe that they are very important with the picture or with examples. Okay, I prepared this because I know that it's gonna help you. If you don't understand how I translate them, you can be able to know them by these pictures. Well, ban ngi chen wale ke English kana thok nath ki no language michari aleka take a read take English ban ka kula nang ka thok nath mi yo me ken ni linga man le ro gwas me bi willing ke tur de ko tur na ka ka ten chakri aleka. Let's start with the word actor. Actor angulo damo. Actor a lead movie ni. Ram la lead movie ni shwale actor. Tangwasni actor, it is for male, and for female we can call her actress. Okay, actress. Ka lead move ni kan yadno na me nyal mi juk ni nyala no nyamo la move la kale de shwala actress. Me would by chol actor, you know, yentadam tete. So actress mean lead move ni. So that is what it means. Actor, actress, a lead movie ni, ki lead film ni, malaran film ni, shwale no. Bichu ngaje no actor, a kwiwutka, actress, a kwichek. Another word that we are going to learn is word lawyer. Lawyer, ngulo de moka tuknat. Lawyer, chere ka nede content ngai kan watin chuk mo chikan go gor. You can see from the picture here. Lawyer Rami la chung karound ke Rami ngach ngotin yen adrodian kaka. Mite Rami shi do dir ba joko no gori lawyer la gori Rami bi chong ko kwide. Me bi nyod ngoden shi dir ngoda menena. Ti ke chong wala tele ji chong the lawyer ba jalari shale lawyer. A lawyer Ramadan and la chung karan Rami shi dur shi dir ke Rami mai ka shonde. Bi Rami shi ngot goro bakulu shong kaje. Shale lawyer ka talk English. Let's come here aunt. Aunt malore why do an auntie me lore ne why do ke molen why do nyiman gu molen nyiman mor kira madapa kan mamado di cholen chirami nyiman mamadu ba cholen o jena molen chola auntie point auntie why do ke molen Muye Gorio, you want to know this word molen can why do don kujika bingajano and why do point a corrada lodning man gur kira mandapka can gur kel so shall why do murajik molen a nyaman mamadu ki nyaman more ramadapka can mamadu kel by sholidi by sholen molen katungnat in English kendial shol shwale ke anti kendial dinen ka turne me take a mom ke dad ke sister ke grandma ke grandpa take a uncle ke auntie uncle nang a both side uncle nang a Ramadan and la neru mandap ke mamadu kel uncle nang a Ramadan and dap ke gur kel kajan bikan yiga male ki wune ano mu we are side dan te mamadu tin kana side dan te babadu tin kan te lamen baga chola hante ni kandial why do ki mole and I hope you understand this. Okay, next word is judge. Judge Ramadan ela look ki Ramadan la look la jalat look Ramadan la look alat ka baran beje kwet jwer ki beje kwet chonde dinen gwaseme kanite kontin la luok alat chwal ke judges judge karwade singular mo kone su kon matini yo ba judges tiken ke shoti goal judge check Ramadan la look alat judges ka luok ji luok ni kine kon la luok alat ke like this is plural and this one is singular vi ngaje no judge gwaseme look ki Ramadan la ja kwet chondu ka beje kwet jweru so chwal ke judge ki judges let's come to baby baby angulodomo katong nath la kona choli gat ki roar gat ki roar ki twor dong den wenono jana gat mungut ka kwe okay de kono choli baby ki gat mungut kan run ka kan ganot nyam and baby point a lot na roar ki lo na gat gor jeno ba de yana ngaje mandan le rode be nung tur da gwasame ko biya ko ngaje no gat angulodomo gat mungut ka kwe ki gwadra na ngura kan ne ramdit ba chole baby kiman paya dap gat chemen chala lo de roar tangos ne kan wori chol kan de choli tor ki tor so ne me der na de kalwak gwad men gor jeno bi bu kona nywa kel ko do dande rande ne me de ngai ke je then crop this so let me do this okay name agat dairy gor ka gwar guji ga jamo but mangaje long agat so baby maloda lode ne gat jen agat matot so de no mo dairy cabin on yeah chana nyoko wuka medo dien gwasa me muguro dong de kon guch to kon ke man e wood ka tok nath a man e wood adien en gwata me no mone wood man shale male cheraka toot te female te tinbo alangwot pana wajike te gwat mane male lure ne toot de kon chana toot chana man gar gwat mane toot jen kwala shole wudone ke man in English the other one is woman. When you want to say woman a chick katong nore woman malura lura ni female chachol chick female chala ngot katok nore de kon chala ngot jan lot ka mo no woman ke jan lot ka mo chick woman lura ni chick and female gwasame lura no ngot dien yunen gwasame ka turna me ne tur minyo no a chick ki ngot okay mrodiana me a baker angulo do baker de kono cholo jen chere ka third part pani ki bread ki daboni no ramla tal part pani ramla tari ka part pani jen baker right dwaran kon wara shikon we don't do that shikon tara mishale third ka kon do no shek don janong de cholo third do no ka win mondo dien third ke menu guni baker do no shit third and dan tal kwan do no me third part pani ki third cake ni ba chole baker koko ka bana an third mo a third part pani we chale baker nurse it is English or no kaniri kon la le dwelwal chikanya manen yana mo nurse arami le dwelwal mi gwine chende panken kare ki ne kon tin be panken Ramadan la ka gwich ki Ramadan la kimne la ka lok shale nurse jenen yin tur de mo gwata mane shana ben ko cook ajan third kwana ngai kona cook ramla third shale cook baker painen konen na me ala mtani al gwaza mane jen a third daboni ki bread ki third pat pan jen la shalka be karon ki third king ne baname cook jen a third ramla tal kwan ki ramla tal kwan ka be je tal ka duom gwa lo profession kaje ki professional be tal gwa la kwan mi chum chum mi gwa pan mi ba no ne ideal. That's why you are seeing this picture gwa the man chegame a third would but there are third. Next one is police officer. Police officer jan lakona choli police ono ba choli police ka tok Arabic ka kon dio ja de kanir kon la ganga shur gang shur ano kwaje shur sa dio ja mi dung mi shula Arabic wala chut nori I don't know, but police loda ni police officer loda ni kon tin laran kap ka dur mishalat ki ramla ngode leslet ki ramla ramishimi jek la ja kepa ka baje kule nyod ngot no ngode me shi duire nena yan shala police on one ka dentist. What is the meaning of dentist? Dentist then a neglect ramla lech la kanak ramla lech la ka kamrar dong te le mi jek baje kamrar shi ka tura manen yan magwas me rama mone dentist ko jen mala do gwasamo kamana le nyamarar chale dentist mich like mi chika jake gorja de like de kamrar you need a dentist gur neglect okay me dong bay like gur neglect chale dentist neglect kiram la lech nath nak singer jen a tour tangwa ne lar ne ka tung nath no ramalator ki ramala kedit ramala di the kit chale singer ka tok English. So you should know this by now. Singer jan a tour me ajo jan singer jan tour ke jiram la tour ke ram la dit la kaket. Tangwas ne da take secular singer can gospel singer. Secular singer can it konda la tour ka tour which you know. Gospel singer can it konda la tour ka tour lokot alo bi did be ket me ket ko chicken jaran but me rami machi ran che okay grade did mo you are no longer a gospel singer. So our gospel singer kan iri kone liakan kut karwara chicken liak na jenen yen mo turna me doctor e kim delwal kim dio je to Arabic there are ramila na the muy kawal mu janat kawal okay delwal ramila boralak ramila okay de ko lara je ramla na rate chere gane ko la na rate doctor ka tuk English ka tung no da ramdana la na da rate dul wal ki ramdala na mu ka wal dul wal kim dio je chi tok nat jen ato Arabic I believe te ka kim ke kim dundan ko shana dap ni jen kim me okay dong de kon shol kim ka ta dan te ke je so ramme jen doctor ka tuk English jen shale kim dul wal okay kim dollar ramela nada moy ka walki ramela nada rate dollar soldier edit de ngay ramla jel ka match ram gur ngot mite ka kor mi ben man wacc be jen bo tan wi nami bo gwa kor be wacc be jogang chale soldier giant was me de kono chole ramadit melen nat ka point like did along the end ga tourna me giant wude me jene giant wude me te point me dit you know rami did milen nat ka point ba chole giant word giant in English lona rami did me te ka point me dit along to kon ke riedo dien gwas me te giant te rami did milen na ka point ka rami check de ko le chole de chale midget a check ke de chole a check ke rami te ka point method take a point method jen shalde midget a check again ram take a point method by Charlie midget I believe you learned something on this lesson. So I would like to thank you for watching this video and for following this lesson. And I also would like you to not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please try to go through the lesson again. This might help you. And if you like it, please help me by sharing, comment, and like it. Okay? So if you have any suggestion, just write it down below the video description, so or on the comment section, and I will get it and I will respond to you. I always upload English and thok nath video because this is what I do. I just want to help you out. So whatever little thing you can learn, it will make difference. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.